Angel Foot Massage, QuickBooks Video 1, the chart of accounts, the trial balance, and the items list. This is a first in a series of QuickBooks videos for your company. Keep in mind that any window we use within QuickBooks has a shortcut to it on the icon bar of the Customize file that we have made together. You should use this Customize file that we have made before as the training file, and anyone who you want to train to be your bookkeeper using QuickBooks should watch these videos and work with the training file only. Okay? The person working with the training file should have practice with the training file and inputting what they see in the video into the training file before they're ready to work with the actual file of your company. The chart of accounts we have created for you is only a small sample of all the accounts that you will actually use. And of course, we will be adding accounts as we progress in the series of videos. But this is the first video, so we will only have the accounts we need, and then maybe a couple of more. Notice that each account in the chart of accounts has a name and a type. The name is what you type in when you create the account, and you must choose the type from the pull-down list. We will not show on this video actually creating or editing the accounts, as it is easy. But you have to remember the relationship between the chart of accounts and the trial balance. The trial balance is a report that shows the totals of all of these accounts listed in the chart of accounts. And when I say total, I mean the total money of all the transactions that get recorded into each of these individual separate records. For example, every time we earn income from performing the Angel Tees service, we will record it in this record, and that's the number that will increase on the trial balance. Every time we pay more for delivery, it will get recorded into this record, and that will increase delivery expense in the trial balance. Please note that exactly how you spell the account when you create it in the in the chart of accounts, exactly how you spell it when you create it in the chart of accounts is exactly the way that it will show when you open the report called the trial balance. Please also note there is a relationship between the chart of accounts and the items list. The items list is a list of line items, a list of services or products that you would choose from to put the line items on your sale receipt and invoice when you perform the service to the customer. So for example, if you performed a 1-hour sugar scrub to a customer, you would create a sale receipt and you would choose this item. If, for example, you performed 40 minutes in heaven for someone, you would create an invoice or a sales receipt and you would put this as the line item as the service you put. Choosing the correct item on the invoice makes the correct account in the chart of accounts increase. For example, you can see from the item list that this item, 25-minute Angel Tees, is linked or connected to the account in the chart of accounts called Income from Angel Tees. So every time you perform this service and record it on a receipt or an invoice, this is the total that will increase in the trial balance.